Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to get DramaBox free coins. Now in this method, I'll show you exactly how to get many coins on DramaBox, and to do so, you should first go to the settings of your iPhone. And the first thing that you should do is to simply go and open your settings of your iPhone, then go and click on the general settings, then tap on background app refresh, then choose the first option right here and make it Wi-Fi and cellular data. Then you should go back to the settings, click on the battery settings, and make sure that you have the low power mode turned off. Then you should go back again and go to App Store and make sure that this option, automatic downloads, is turned on. Now what you should do is to go to any one of your browsers and type here this text on the top, yoplugin.com. After that, here you'll find many applications. You can now click on U plugin DramaBox. Once you click on it, click on start installation. It will take a couple of minutes. You'll just have to wait. And after that, when you go and open the application again, here you will find that you have more and more coins. You can actually get more and more with time. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.